Hi students, good night to everyone. Our running chapter is 9 multiplication of numbers. Multiplication of numbers. Dear children, all of you read tables from 2 to 9. Without tables, we will not do anything. We can't do anything. Children, all of you open math textbook. Page number 81, question 4. Dear children, read tables from 2 to 9. Without these tables, we cannot do any problem from this chapter, multiplication of numbers. Now, all of you open math textbook, page number 81, question number 4. Question number 4. Count the dots in row and column. A row means sleeping line. Row means sleeping line. Column means standing line. Column means standing line. Row means sleeping line. Column means standing line. Fill in the blank in the table. Write them in the form of multiplication. Count the dots in row and column. Fill in the blank in the table. Write them in the form of multiplication. Okay, children, now I write this question. Dots in column in row form of multiplication. Form of multiplication. Form of multiplication. Okay, children, first one. See, here rows. 1, 2, these are 3 rows. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children, here rows. 1, 2, 3 rows. Columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Columns are 5, rows are 3. Form of multiplication. See here, 5. In 5, 3 dots are there. Here 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 5, 3 dots are there. See, 3 repeated 5 times. 5 times of 3. 5 times of 3. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. See, count how many dots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, our answer is correct. 5 threes are 15. Okay, children, we are given dots. First you count columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. 5 over. Now rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. Form of multiplication is 5 into 3. 5 is multiplied by 3. 5 is multiplied by 3. 5 threes are 15. After multiplication, you check your answer by counting dots, how many gave. Okay, children. This is a question 1 from page number 81. Question is 4. 5 threes are 15. And we can write 3 fives also 15. 3 fives are. 3 fives also 15. 5 threes are 15. 3 fives also 15. How? If rotate this structure of dots, now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here columns are 1, 2, 3. Rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 fives are 15. So children, this is the solution. 3 fives are 15 for this. 5 threes are 15 for this one. Okay, children. Now, second part from question 4. Now, here given dots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. First, we count how many columns are there. Column means standing line. Column means standing line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many columns are there? 7. Now rows. Rows means sleeping line. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. form of multiplication. Here 7 and here 3. 7 3s are 7 3s are. Now all of read 7 table. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Okay. Number of columns are 7. Number of rows are 3. Form of the multiplication is 7 3s are 7 into 3. 7 is multiplied by 3. 7 3s are 21. Now 3 columns 1 2 3 rows 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes. Now count columns. Column means standing line. 1 2 3. Rows sleeping line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. A form of multiplication is 3 7 or 3 is multiplied by 7. 3 into 7. 3 7s are 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 21. Our answer is 7. 3s are 21. 3 7s are 21. First we count how many dots are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. 21 is correct. Now in second part again you count how many dots are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Yes, our answer is 21. Number of dots are 21 with form of rows and columns, that is 7 3s are and 3 7s are. Now we have finished question number 4. After this, question number 5. Multiply the number given. Okay, children, now question number 5. Multiply the number given. Multiply the number given. Question A, B, C, D. 4 5s are 3 4s are 5 2s are 8 6 are. Okay, children, multiply the numbers given. First one is 4 5s are 4 times of 5. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Or 5 times of 4 also. Means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Yes. Now question B. 3 into 4. 3 multiplied by 4. 3 times of 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Or 4 times of 3. 4 into 3. 4 is multiplied by 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Now question C. 5 into 2. 5 is multiplied by 2. 5 times of 2. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Or 2 times of 5. 2 is multiplied by 5. 2 into 5. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Now, D1. 8 into 6. 8 is multiplied by 6. 8 times of 6. Now, table number 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. Or 6 into 8. 6 is multiplied by 8. 6 times of 8. 6 into 8. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. Students, 4 fives are 20. That is question A. Now B, 3 fours are 12. Now question C, 5 twos are 10. Question D, 8 six are 48. These are multiplications. Page number 81. Question number 5 is completed. Now question 6. Okay, children, question 6. Multiply the number in the first column by those in the top row. Write the product in the blank boxes. Dear children, here again we have to do multiplication with rows and column. Multiply the numbers in the first column by those in the top row. Write the product in the blank box. First one is symbol of multiplication. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 2, 3, 5. Okay, students. First, First row, the number is 2. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. It means 2 tables. 2 4s are 8. Next. 2 6 are. 2 6 are 12. Next. 2 7s are. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Next. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Next. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. In first row, the number is 2. We need 2 tables. 2 4s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 18, 2 9s are 18. Over. Now second row, the number is 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18. Next, 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. Now final one, 3 9s are 27. Yes. Second row, that is 3. We need 3 tables. 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Now final row, that is number 5. We need 5 tables. 5 4s are 20. Read 5 tables. 5 6 are 30. Next, 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. Final one, 5 9s are 45. Okay, children, we have finished 5 tables. Listen carefully. 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. In first row, 2 tables, second row, 3 tables, and last row, 5 tables. Yes, children, this multiplication is completely depending on tables. You learn tables from 2 to 9 regularly. When our school will be reopened, in that time I will ask tables from 2 to 9. Okay, children, today we finished 4 questions, 5 questions, 6 questions from page number 81. Please write this one in your running classwork, that is math classwork. I will see your math classwork. Okay, children, goodbye to everyone.